Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reinstalling a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Pin your hair going to the back with your clips, and then I'm going to figure out if my hair is still from ear to ear and you do have extra lace off, so you want to cut off the extra lace before you apply this lace down because it's not going to give natural at all. Check to see if you cut off enough lace, and if you did cut off enough lace, it should look natural as possible. But sometimes you need to cut off more lace on the side or anywhere that you need to cut off extra lace. Kiss Lace Bond Spray Level 9. Push the lace up, and then you want to use the lace bond spray, apply it down, and once you apply it, you're going to use your fingers and do this at least one time, and then you want to blow dry it on hot setting so it can get tacky. Once it's tacky, you're going to do another layer, at least 2 layers, and when your layers are tacky, you want to lay the lace down in sections. Do this slow so that way your lace won't be lifting at all. You want to use your comb and push the lace into your skin. Give me something I'm not. I don't need none. Use the back of the comb or the end of the comb to lay the lace down because your lace is still lifting. But of course I'm going to go back in and do the other side, but I need both sides to be laid. Only me and you. Sometimes even though you lay your lace down, you still need to cut off extra lace. Me and you. Put my hair up in a ponytail and focus on this lace. Now I'm gonna push all those tiny pieces of hair out of the lace because it's literally annoying and it's not giving you a clean install. Use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray again on the edges that is lifting. Blow dry it on hot setting, of course, because I want this wig to be laid. Because you want a clean install, you want to use a brush and literally sleek all the hair going to the back. Use some Kiss Lace Bond Spray on the edges of the hair because there is no more lace showing. Blow dry everything now on cold setting because you want your lace to be dry, not sticky. Make sure all the hairs are out of the lace before you start melting down your lace using your melting band, and leave this melting band on for 15 to 20 minutes. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation Level 12 on the lace. Like, where is the lace? The lace is giving scalp already. Even when I add the makeup, it looks way better. Then you want to take your melting spray by the Frontal Queen and apply it down to the lace, and this is going to give you a extra double melt. Then you want to blow dry it on hot setting Once it's tacky, go back in and blow dry it again on cold. Take your wax stick, slick all the hair going to the back. As you can see, all the hairs are literally slick. And now you're going to take your hot comb. When you hot comb your hair, do this super slow so your wig can be flat and not look like Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Look how flat this wig is. Now you want to keep going. Make sure you get the back of it, and then you want to take some hair serum and put it all over the hair so it can soften the hair, and then take some sections, pin it up so you can start working on this hair. Take some Kiss Lace Bond spray or any hairspray, comb through it very well, and take your crimper. When you crimp, make sure it is on the hottest setting. I crimp backwards, so you're gonna hold this crimper for at least, I'll say 30 seconds, and keep going throughout all the way to the ends. But make sure your ends is mainly crimped, because that is how it's going to look way better and perfect crimps.
You get it mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane.
These crimps are literally eating you guys. Use hairspray and you will get the perfect crimps every single time. Non-negotiable.
Used to be them violent to you, ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't.
If you over bleach or you have bald spots, use mascara on that area so it can actually look natural.
Baby, I'm missing you. Wish it was deeper than what it was. Up and down, baby. No, I seen the lion first. No, I seen no finding the.
Look at my hair, you guys. These crimps came out so perfect, you guys. If you want your hair like this, you're gonna have to follow my tutorial, because look at these crimps. Very much eating. They're going to last you a long time. Unlike those soft crimps, you guys, this wig was literally 2 years old, and this wig still looks brand new, fresh out of the box. Look at this, y'all. It's very much cheap. Reinstall those wigs and stop throwing away your old wigs. You can literally transform your old wigs and make it brand new again, I promise you. Look at this 2 years old wig wear. It don't even give 2 years old at all. These crimps came out so perfect, you guys. I'm glad I did it. It was worth it because it took literally forever just to get these crimps.